Inilah perintahku, yaitu supaya kamu saling mengasihi, seperti aku telah mengasihi kamu.
What if I never knew? What if I never found you? I'd never have this feeling in my heart.
How did this come to be? I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you, deep inside my heart I knew, baby, you're my destiny.
Claudius Yaputar dan saudari Carolina Bruparus yang terkasih, untuk meneguhkan perkawinan kalian di hadapan pelayan gereja dan disaksikan oleh umat
And
beriman.
as far as I can see, you were always meant to be
My destiny. Ooh.
I wanted someone like you, someone that I can hold on to and give my love until the end of time.
But forever was just a word,
Just a word.
something I'd only heard about. But now you're always there for me. When you say forever, I believe.
Baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul,
I give my love to head at all.
and as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny.